Hey class, Mr. Suffering here, teaching our Project Lead the Way Design and Modeling course. This video I am going to demonstrate how to take our isometric sketch and turn it into our multi-view sketch. So let's get to it. Our previous video we sketched out a isometric sketch of this horseshoe shape. An important part of developing our isometric sketch is to label our top view, our front view, and our right side view. This is important when it comes to sketching our multi-view sketch of our isometric. Per our first video, we looked at one line or one side of our linking cube will equal two intersection points, right? So if we are looking at this part of our isometric, which are two cubes, that's going to be a total of 1, 2, 3, 4 intersection points. So that's how we measured it. All right. So just like our multi-view sketch, we're going to be doing the same thing on Cartesian graph paper. So when we are looking at our linking cubes to view our top, our front, and our right side views of our horseshoe, we would simply look at the shape like so. So if we're looking at our top view, that's how our top view would look. If we were looking at our front view of our horseshoe shape, it would look like so. And if we were looking at our right side, we would position our linking cubes as such. Okay? So that's what we're going to be drawing. All right. So our top view of our horseshoe, we are going to just pick an intersection point, and we're going to draw 6 intersection points of our Cartesian graph. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. All right. Now to draw the front portion, 2 linking cubes. That's going to equal to 4 intersection points of our graph. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to do the same for this side. And from this part of the green square to here, that's going to be 2 intersection points. Just like so. The same way on this side. From this part of the cube to the center, that's going to be 2 intersection points. Two intersection points. And there's 2 intersection points. So that will be a bird's eye view of our horseshoe shape. So now this is our front view. I'm sorry, our top view. So let's go ahead and label that top view. Okay, now it's time to draw our front view of our horseshoe. Now, it is very important that we use our object lines to line up our shapes where they are proportioned with one another. So, and these lines are very important due to our next step of drawing our shapes. So we're going to draw our object lines. All right. These object lines are lining each side of our shape. There we go. Now we're going to draw our front view, and our front view looks like so. One, two. And now, what are the purpose of the object lines? These lines line up the two views, but it also is instrumental when it comes to developing our dimensions. All right, so that is our front view. Now, it's very important. Why did we distinguish this cube right here and this cube right here? Well, the meaning is the fact that we cannot take in account of, we cannot really get a good perspective of the cubes that are closest to us. So we have to put an object line determining that these are two cubes that are closest to us. All right. Now, if we were like this, there are no cubes, then we would not use these two lines. Okay. So we have our front view. Let's go ahead and label that front view. Now let's work on our right side. So again, we're taking our object lines so we can line up the two shapes relative to the view. Okay? In our right side view, one, two, three, four, just like so. Now, before a house is built, this is what architects have to use, these same concepts when developing their blueprints for a home. Okay? So this is our top, our front view. Whoops. And our right side. Right side view. There you have it. Okay. And of course, we have to label our isometric. Isometric view. Okay. All right. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me via Canvas. I hope you have a great day. Take care.